What is the primary concern in the passage? This is a structure-based question, so we need to look at the mind map. As per the mind map, the first paragraph introduces blockchain and its advantage, and the second paragraph discusses the challenge that blockchain is slow and offers a potential solution. So we need an answer choice on similar lines. Answer choice A, assessing the validity of Harvard Innovation Labs' report. Now, this report is mentioned in the second paragraph, so it is limited in scope. Also, the passage doesn't assess the validity of the report. It simply mentions the report. So this answer choice cannot be correct. Answer choice B, evaluating the criteria used to assess the viability of blockchain. Now, there is some discussion about blockchain technology not being viable for large-scale applications. But again, this discussion is limited to the second paragraph. And also, the passage does not evaluate the criteria used to assess the viability of blockchain. It simply discusses the viability of blockchain. So this answer choice is not correct. Answer choice C, discussing whether blockchain is good news for certain businesses. There is some discussion about blockchain being a good news for certain applications, but this is a passing reference and cannot be called the primary discussion in the passage. So this answer choice can be ruled out. Answer choice D, introducing blockchain and evaluating its utility in the face of its inadequate speed. Yes, this is what the mind map implies. As per the mind map, there is introduction of blockchain, some discussion on advantages and challenges, and a hint at a potential solution. This is what is said. So answer choice D aptly summarizes the passage. So this is a good answer choice. Let's keep it on hold. Answer choice E, establishing a relationship between consensus mechanism and blockchain speed. There is some reference to consensus mechanism and blockchain speed, and it says that evolution of consensus mechanism will improve blockchain speed. But again, this is a passing reference and not the primary discussion in the passage. So this answer choice can be ruled out. Overall, we can say that the correct answer is answer choice D.